Hi, I'm Maya, and I want to take you on the adventure with me. 2019 brings me a new seed to plant on this channel. Crochet and travel is my focus for this year, as I would love to show you around wherever I go, and of course, my crochet project that I would take along with me. My wish is to inspire you to live your life in its full potential, getting out of your comfort zone to see the world with your own eyes. There will be all kinds of video crochet related, including how to run a successful crochet business, as I believe in abundance, creativity, and financial freedom. So I love to share what works for my business and how I'm able to travel as often as I want to, and how to create a pattern that sells. Are you ready? So come with me.